bit of olive oil.
So today's challenge is going to be to make one change to your pasta. From now on, make one change, and that's going to make your pasta taste better every single time you make it. So today we're making a pasta carbonara. Probably not a traditional pasta carbonara because that's made with eggs, but we're going to make one with cream, which, to be honest with you, here in New Zealand, most people when they make carbonara, they make it with cream. So this is going to be a pasta carbonara with cream. And here it is. Woo! So this is the trick, is finishing to cook all pastas long and short, but not filled in their sauce. So you create a sauce, cream, tomato, stock base, whatever the sauce may be for your pasta, not for filled pasta. So for filled pasta, you toss the sauce for the filled pasta straight away. But for short and long pastas, you should finish cooking the pasta with 1 to 2 minutes in the sauce, but you do just finish the sauce in the pasta, and it's actually better as well if you're able to toss the sauce over the pasta without stirring. Yeah, so we give that a little taste check. And the other thing is leaving the pasta there to stand. So once it's cooked, let it stand there for 1 minute. That's why sometimes when you go to the second plate of pasta, you've had a plate, you go for the second plate, it's been sitting in the bowl, and it 9 times out of 10 tastes better than the first bowl because it's been sitting and resting. Okay. Right. So just give that a little taste test. A bit more pepper. Okay, so this pasta is actually quite nice with, if you like chilli. What do you think, dry chilli, Megan, or because I know which one is quite nicer, dried or sauce?